Have you ever lost your phone and regretted that I would have taken the backup for the mobile? Have you ever dropped your phone from a certain height and it has been damaged and you could not be able to get your photos, your data and all the other things? Then today's video is for you. Need not worry, I'm gonna share some secrets with you. If you follow that secrets, you would be able to retrieve all the data of your mobile phone on the computer or on your laptop. Hello everyone, my name is Abdulbasith. Welcome to Learn with Abdulbasith. Today's video is not about CCTV cameras. It is about mobile phone technology. In today's video, I'm gonna share some of the interesting apps by which you can monitor the data of your mobile phone. You can copy the entire data of your mobile phone, and you may also track your mobile phone if you lose it or if you missed it anywhere. So I'll be sharing all my experiences with you. I'll be sharing some important applications with you. If you use that applications, it would be good. You would be able to retrieve the entire data of your mobile, like the call history, like the photographs, emails, and all the other things of which you did not done a backup before. So first, this disclaimer. Can you see the disclaimer? Yes. It's a request from my side. Please take this information for your use. Please do not misuse it for making prank of someone or making misuse of it on some other's phone. So first, let us understand what is a mobile phone. There are different types of mobile phones in the market. There are three important smartphones available at present. First is Android mobiles. In that we have Android operating system and we have Google Play Store from which we can download the applications and we can use it. Second one is the Apple iPhone, in which we have the App Store and the operating system is iOS, and we have to download the systems, we have to download the applications from the App Store like that. Then the third one is Windows Mobile. Windows Mobile has market in it and we have to download the applications from the market. So overall there are three smartphones at present. So any smartphone, if you log into this applications, you would be able to check the mobile activity, you would be able to check the notifications of your mobile on the laptop, on the computer. So I'm gonna classify first the applications. There are some applications which are useful in Androids, which are useful in iPhones, and which are also useful in Windows Mobile. And there are some applications which supports only iPhones, and there are some applications which supports only Google Android mobiles. So first, few of them are Polcast, Join, Wondershare, Mobilingo, and MyMobiler. These are some of the applications by which if you create your user ID and password and you add your mobile phone, you would be able to get the entire data on the screen. You would be able to get the messages, you would be able to get the notifications, you would be able to retrieve the gallery, each and everything. Then the application Repair My iPhone, it is for only iPhone users. If anything happens in your iPhone, like if there is a bug or if there is a spyware or if there is something by which your iPhone is not functioning normally, if there are any lags and if there are any software crashes and everything is going on, then this application Repair My iPhone, if you install it from the App Store and if you scan your phone, it will give you the reason. It could be software update, it could be last application download, or it could be anything. So it fixes the bugs which your mobile phone is not working normally. Power Man, this works for both iPhone and Androids. MoboPlay, it also works for Android and iPhones. And AirDroid. In today's video, I'm going to explain you everything about the AirDroid. AirDroid is one of the best application. It can be used for Android phones and it can also be used for iPhones. So AirDroid, log into www.airdroid.com, then you would be able to see the application there. Download for Windows, download for Mac, download for iOS users, download for Android or something else like that. Once you log into airdroid.com, you have to create your user ID and the password. And once you create your user ID and the password, it asks you to scan the QR code in your mobile application. You have to download the same application in your mobile phone, the same mobile phone which you would like to track on the laptop, which you would like to track on the PC. So once you download that application in the mobile phone and if you open the same application on the computer, you have to scan the QR code in the camera of the mobile phone. Once you scan the QR code in the camera of the mobile phone, then that mobile phone will be binded to the computer, and you could be able to see all these things. At the back side, you may see there are 16 different options available in AirDroid. I'm going to explain you each and every option in detail. So assume I have logged in using my mobile. It could be a Google Android mobile, it could be an iPhone, or it could be a Windows mobile. So once I downloaded that application, and once I opened the website, and once I scanned my mobile phone, then it will take me to the login screen. You can see in the login screen there are 16 different options available. Can you see the photos at the back side? Yes. In photos, once you are logged in to the airdroid.com, you can be able to see your mobile gallery photos in that. No matter if you are using your mobile in the same premises or if your mobile is anywhere throughout the world. If it has internet connectivity, then you can see your photos here in the application. You may also download the photos if they both are in internet connection. So this application really works well if you lose your phone, if you forgot your phone somewhere else, and if your phone is not on ringing mode or something else like that. So first, if you have logged in your mobile phone using this application, and then if you're opening the computer and if you're opening this website, and if you click on the photos, you would be able to get the entire photos, the entire gallery of your mobile phone live. Then if someone calls you on your mobile phone, at the bottom of the screen on the computer, it gives you the notification you are getting an incoming call from so and so number. You may answer that incoming call, you may send an SMS, everything like that. For that, there are some premium packages you have to subscribe. In the free version, you could be able to access some of the applications from all the 16 one. So first one was photos, control. If you click on control, if you are a premium member, you could be able to control your mobile phone. What does control your mobile phone means? Controlling your mobile phone means you can open the camera, the front camera of the mobile phone, the rear camera of the mobile phone. You can open the log history, you can open the call logs, you can open each and everything. If your mobile phone is somewhere else, like if we are in India and if your mobile phone is in Australia, if your mobile phone is in any other country, if that is accessing internet and if you are on airdroid.com, then you can control your mobile phone from here, from India. So controller gives you the option to control your mobile phone completely. It gives you the access to do each and everything virtually, not physically. Like you can virtually control your phone, you can virtually copy the data, you can virtually send SMS, you can do everything. So in photos, you can download, you can access the photos of your mobile gallery. In controller, you can control your mobile phone virtually. Third option is contacts. In contacts, to retrieve any one phone number, then contacts comes handy. What this contact option will do, what contact will do, what this contact option will do. This contact option will let you access all the contacts which are stored in your mobile. So contacts is very important. If you kept your mobile somewhere and if you are accessing your laptop, if you are accessing your MacBook, open this application, go to contacts, and you can retrieve the contact of that person who you would like to have a word. In apps, these apps, what does it do? In apps, it will show you all the applications which are downloaded, which are installed in your mobile phone. So if your mobile has almost like 16 applications, 17 applications or 20 applications, all that applications are accessible from this apps tab. So click on this apps tab, you could be able to see each and every application individually. So if you want, you can get the access on computer also if they are accessible. If they are not accessible on computer, you could not be able to get the access. Like if you are playing game in your mobile phone, like PUBG or any game, if you open the application and click on that application, if it is supportive on laptop, if it is supportive on Mac, if it is supportive on PC, then you could be able to play the game with the same user ID and the password which is stored in the mobile application. So this is also a very good option. Messages. Next option is messages. In messages, you can see all the text messages which you have received on your mobile phone. So if you would like to see any important message from your computer, if your mobile phone is in car, if your mobile phone is somewhere in the other room, if your mobile phone is somewhere else, open this application, click on messages, and you would be able to get all the messages which you have received in your mobile phone. This is also a very good useful feature. So these are the things which you can do. Mirroring. Mirroring is a very important option. What does mirroring will do? If you are accessing a projector, if you are accessing a smart TV, if you are accessing any Bluetooth device and you would like to pair it with your mobile phone, you have to open the Bluetooth and you have to give the password and pair it, and it takes a long time. This mirroring option, what does it do? It will pair your mobile phone with the device, and whatever you do on your mobile phone, you would be able to see live on the TV, on the main screen, or on the projector like that. So mirroring is also one of the best option. Next option, video. Video is the option. It will give you all the videos which you have received on WhatsApp, which you have received on any application, or which you have shooted and which were stored in the gallery. So photos will give you the option only for photos, and videos will give you the option for videos. So if you'd like to download any video from the gallery and you don't like to scroll the gallery and search for that video, just open this application, go to videos tab and click on the video which you were searching for, and download it. And you can move it or you can delete it. Whatever you'd like to do, you can get it done from the computer. If you delete any video, if you delete any camera mobile, if you delete any photo, then it would be deleted from the gallery. So be very careful while using this application. If you delete anything, it will not be retrieved. Find phone is very important option. It will act as like a device manager. What is a device manager? Many Google Android phones comes with enabled device manager in it from the Google side. Device manager, what does it do? It will show you the location of your mobile phone last accessible through internet. Like if you lost your phone in some market, it will give you the location that last switched on so and so area, the latitude and the longitude. So find my phone, what does it do? If you lost your phone, if you click on find my phone and if you click on ring, it will ring if the phone is on silent mode, if the phone is on vibration mode. So it will start ringing and you can track your mobile phone. If the mobile phone is turned off, it will give you the time, it will give you the location where it was last used. And one more important thing what you can do from Find My Phone is, once you click on Find My Phone, it will give you erase data, wipe data. If you click on erase data, all your sensitive data will be deleted. So if you have lost your mobile phone, worried about your confidential data, worried about your pictures, images, gallery, or any important thing, need not worry. This application gives you the access to wipe all the data from your mobile phone. So the mobile entire data would be deleted from your computer, from your laptop, or from your MacBook. So this is very important option. So you can wipe the data, you can erase the data, and you can find your phone. If your phone is on and if it is accessible to the internet, then you may track it down and you may see the live location of that phone by which you can track it. Files. Files is the next option in which we can see what are the downloadable files in your mobile phone. If you have downloaded PDF files, if you have downloaded Word files, if you have downloaded audio files, video files, whatever it is, it gives you the entire history of the files. So file is the folder in which you can see all the downloadable files there. Call logs is very important. If you click on call logs, you would be able to see the entire call logs or call history there. You could be able to see the dialed calls, you could be able to see the received calls, you could be able to see the missed calls. So call logs will give you the information of your mobile phone on the PC. Call logs is very important. Next, music is a folder which will give you the access to your music library. If you have stored or if you have downloaded any songs, any music, or if you stored any library or any playlist like podcast or something, you would be able to get the access separately on this folder. So this music option will give you the option to access all your audio files in it. Help. What does help will do? If you have any requirement and that option is not accessible, then click on help. It gives you some questions and you could be able to get the frequently asked questions there. If you find your question there, you can get the answer. If you don't find your question there, then you can raise a question and the community from the AirDroid will help you out and they'll come up with the answers. Camera. Camera is one more important option. Camera is very important. If my phone is off, if my phone is locked and I kept it on the table and I turned on my laptop and I opened the AirDroid application, I clicked on camera, it will give me the option to open the front camera or the rear camera. If I click on front camera, the phone will be locked and the camera will be on and I could be able to capture the picture, I could be able to capture or record a video. This is very important option. This comes only in premium version. If you log into the premium version of Android, you could be able to access all of these features. And if you are a free user, then you could not be able to access all of these features. So this is a very useful application. You can use it in your emergency time. You can use it for tracking your mobile. You can use it for everything. Frequent. What does frequent will do? Frequent will show all the things what you did in your mobile phone. Like we would be having the history. If we click on home button, we would be able to see what we did last, what tabs we have opened, what applications we have accessed. So we can see the entire history by scrolling left side or right side, up, down, something like that. So in frequent tab, we could be able to see all of these features of our mobile phone which we have accessed in earlier times. If we have erased it, we could not be able to see. If we did not erase it, since how long we are using the applications, it will show the entire users, it will show the entire windows what we have opened in our mobile. Next, ringtones. It is the different folder. It gives you the ringtone options, which ringtones are preloaded in your mobile and which ringtones you have downloaded and you have put it for single person ringtone or something like that. So everything related to ring part, like the ringtone, the notification tone, the message tone, each and everything, you can get it here in the ringtone folder. Next, discovery will give you the other suitable applications. Once you log into this application, it will detect your mobile model, it will detect the suitable applications. So these are the 16 options available in Android. Android is one of the best applications which gives you all the options. You may see your mobile photos, you may see your mobile videos, you may see your WhatsApp messages, you may see your call logs, you may see your notification, you may see the messages. You may able to control your mobile from anywhere throughout the world. So it's a request from my side, please do not prank your friends, your relatives or your anyone else's mobile phone. Please take this video as informative. Do not use this video in a prank way or in any other way. So it's my request to you. I have shared all my experience with you. If you have liked today's video, it's my request, please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with others. Please subscribe to my Instagram, subscribe to my Facebook and my website.